Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Monali Sarambai presenting to you the news and events from Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. Nelly Kund shines in Class 12 Art stream. Two students from St. Mary's shine in HSSLC 2025 results. Fire destroys classroom at Umsning Town Dorbar Secondary School. And Josephine Barre secures 10th position in art stream. And now the news in detail. Nelly Kund of St. Paul's High Secondary School, Nongpo, brought pride to her family and school by securing the second position in the art stream with 451 marks. She is the only student from Ribhoi district to feature in the top 10. Daughter of Sabina Kund and Dominic Raldakar of Sidon Village, Nelly credited her success to God, her teachers and her family. She expressed joy at the achievement and was proud to represent her school and district. Reverend Sister Angelina C.H. Marak, the headmistress, and her brother Bonnie Kund congratulated her and encouraged her to continue working hard in her future academic journey.
Kung nag-shop ako aban ay kublay tay try kan ran kubala iet bet lakar khu yang hadu kat ni hakajing sisya ngarok ngam klam kemilen ti baka result jong akan bah hadu kat ni nga expect bangan dan ho top 10 ndai nga klam expect bangan poi ha second rank te hakapor bang akrek kon ningkong ngam da shim serious mo hadu kata ngam da don kata kajing thrang ba ong ba ngan pen yo abet hadu top 2 ne top 1 nga ong yela de bang ade bandon ha top 10 ndai ngam da don te kata kajing thrang ban ong ba hadu banda poi hakane ka kerdan hadian katu ngalapet binya abat ngalapet bah ba kumno hayeng bat school ro kumju kida thrang hadu kata bangan dawan ra kata ka result ka bah kidon kata kajing kemi lenti ka bakham shijrong nanga te kumta ngala perkhat ba ngala puson bah lada ngam le bah kanlong ka ka ban pen smusi hayeng bat school ro kumju te kumta kat dang jan kising sedang ban pule kwat bah no bat ngam da penlut kaya ka por hang ni hang tai tang shulalat ka por khandiat ngalaya le ban penlut be ha ka kon te kumta ka khubor ka bang aku aban ai shkiwe kalong ningkom ning shap phiri ban bu ka thong lada pidon ka thong phila ben hadian kata rengkat bat ka thong ka jing trash tom ro ka de ban don lada pi trash tom klampa phila ban khet yo so ubabha ubabang te hadian kata ka consistency ka ba phile ka jo shi ka jo man ka sngi phidei ban le ka khandiat mong man chisen pule ne last moment pin bam chisen bam andre khandiat man ka sngi lada pi pule phila ben wala phimde ikhna iba biang hadu kata ban ong inong kumno ladai makana average students ru haba phidan ka thong ka jing thrang ka jing trash tom but man ka sngi to penlut ikapor jong phia ka kot phinla ben.
Saptaparna Kar of St. Mary's Higher Secondary School secured the 6th position in the science stream in the HSSLC examinations declared by MBOS on 5th May. Expressing her joy, she thanked her teachers for their constant guidance and support. From the same school, Artina Rabha achieved the 9th position in the commerce stream. She shared her happiness and revealed that she had prepared by studying previous year's questions along with textbooks. Both students have brought pride to their school through their hard work and dedication, earning praise from teachers and classmates alike.
My name is Artina Rabha and I got 6th position in science stream.
So can you tell us how do you feel after securing the 6th position?
I'm very overwhelmed that I got this position and certainly my hard work paid off that I got this position.
So can you tell us about your preparation and how many hours you study?
I used to study every day consistently. It didn't matter how much hours I studied, but I was always consistent and persistent with my studies.
So in between your studies or your preparation, did you find any difficulties or any sort of?
Yes, I found out difficulties in solving problems, but my teachers were always there to solve my queries and everything. So they helped me a lot to reach here.
So what are you planning to do from here onwards?
I'm planning to do a data science course in the future and pursue my career through it.
So do you have any words of encouragement for the other students?
Yes, I would love to tell them that please study consistently. No matter how many hours you study, it only matters that you are consistent with your studies, and that's all will give you the results. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Tell us your name.
My name is Artina Rabha and I'm the 9th position rank holder of the commerce stream.
So how do you feel after securing the position in this
I
examination?
feel satisfied and happy that I made my parents proud and all those surrounding me and also my school.
So can you tell us about your routine or how your preparation for this examination?
Yes, I started solving the previous year question papers and also read a lot of textbooks, the NCERT prescribed textbooks, and also paid more attention to the subject which I was weak at.
So in between your studies or your preparation, did you find any difficulties and how did you overcome all the problems?
Yes, I did find a lot of difficulty in my subjects, and whenever I didn't understand, I asked my teachers and also my tuition teacher as well.
So what are your plans for the future?
My plans, I'm planning to do BCom and I'm planning to take accountancy major as well.
A late-night fire on Sunday destroyed a classroom at Umsning Town Dorbar Secondary School in Umsning Proper A. The blaze, which began around 11:30 p.m., was first noticed by residents who quickly alerted village leaders. Community members acted swiftly to contain the fire, but one classroom was completely damaged. Angel Star Konghat School Managing Committee Chairman and Village Headman suspects arson, alleging that tablecloths and plastic materials were used to start the fire. An FIR has been filed with Umsning Police. Headmistress BL Nonglat condemned the act as an attack on education and urged vigilance. The school has declared a one-day closure to restore furniture and recover learning materials.
Nga kwa ban penithua yaladi nga de Miss BL Nonglat I headmistress jong ni school Umsning Town Dorbar Secondary School ban nga don hang ni khamat jong pi ban penpau ya jing penrem jor ke jong lo kani jingja mo belawan ja kani ka school ke jong ni klem poi perkhat moi kani jingja ngi dangwan idang don hing kisem ke jong ni mo gidang perkhat na taki kam ke bangin sale mentaka sni ke school ke jong ni rei menemit kum bakhat wish tengi e ke supoi kol no na I president I jong ni bat ru na gini para no hikai gi basa hang jan ba la pentip shanga marmar kani ke jingja mo nam shum lala ban poi ke to ko pon makal amit el asting snya mo menurut shu banwan ban ni hina yeng ru ti menem step ding lawan ban pet yeng lawan ban jurep kani ke jaka bla sha thang la ni kani ke kelas ke bede ru ke kelas 9 ti susi mo ngadap ka mensim ke jing susi ke jing khia mo ban pan pau shi pi ba kadon kum kani ke jing jakat ha kani ke jaka ba de ru ke shlem jong ke jing start mo ke ban ai ke jing nang jing start ki khna mo ban ai ke puli ke puti menta ki bri ki wan kum ha kani ke rukam ban le kani ke school kam sung tanat ti kam long ke bas sung tanat ngap rem jor shi shai kani ki kind of act of violence or whatever they call it but ngalong na kaliang jong ai headmistress nga kento ken dia ki bri mo ki para marjan ki para shnong para thamo ba kin sova ban pet benia lem ya ke shnong ka thau ke jungi ba kham tam e ke school bikin pet lem bishar lem ban khamtam e ru bangila IT ya kani ka kam shathanat imin ka police department bikin le ka badon kam ti nangni shakmat ke badon min sapantep yupi mo.
Josephine Bare of St. Anthony's High Secondary School secured the 10th position in the art stream in the HSSLC examination. She expressed surprise and joy upon seeing her result, admitting she hadn't expected to make it to the top list. Grateful for the achievement, Josephine credited her success to hard work and smart use of resources. She highlighted the positive role of social media in helping students, stating that it can be a blessing when used wisely. Her accomplishment has brought pride to her school and serves as an inspiration to fellow students.
Man kan expect những sao của các bạn yêu trong man không số thôi bất khổ luôn thì lưu lại phần lại nào lại qua yang nó thì asal pun nukas program thọ cho nó vậy mình ta cần phải result nó là kemen sisa ya.
Atau nur kau prepare kini kayak exam.
Ngamda kawai ngit ba kawai kan prepare chung kam deh bani kira anu kan tahu kasi kadai consistency dikira kindak dia kat dalam apa kan result dia kat apa ke exam dia kham lap ha dia nga kerukam kira jangan kham kira ada kata kat sa kan tamu akhirnya ada mus alai kan tahu tu tang kan tahu
so pishim ngano no kajinge kapor ni kre ni exam pishim ginu no kijinge ki bapia kendu apor prepare ni exam
kawai dia stress ni kwa mo ban le pha ti tang ka tai ngai kai tang bat teng teng ni skong kum la khre amla ti teng ki tai
kia ga chính vì cho pi thế pi cũng nơi là cả social media to làm cả tận chức thả này cũng nơi là cả
ke social media ka jempe janga ka dia karu confuse jang fi ada pinang dulu kalau helpful shisha ya rap pi ba pinang stay in contact with ka ik ida baja ka pe thai but ada pinang dulu ka don ki downsides ka dia sha na changes chini
Khubor prepare kene
cái future plan cho pi
ka future plan janga nga plan ban pursue ka BSc psychology
Khubor prepare exam pi ya lemba ki social media ni pi focus bit kat kum ki note kai book lagi kat
ngala pa embus kalau textual ha ti jadi dengan pet ki all question papers ini la ban predict ikut tu mah ti ngapun mga pet na kat hi tang badadan hi bangam sutu ti pet na kum tu mah ki Google so bang tho ki poetry tai bang asli we thought poetry
Following intervention by the Meghalaya government, Nigram has temporarily suspended its nurse recruitment process amid protests by the Khasi Students Union (KSU) over alleged hiring irregularities. The KSU had staged a 4-day sit-in at the hospital's administrative block. After a high-level meeting involving State Minister Paul Lyngdoh, Nigram's director Dr. Nalin Mehta, senior officials and KSU leaders, it was decided to bring the matter to the Union Health Minister. The meeting also resolved to begin discussions on the hospital's roster system. The government urged the KSU to call off the protests as steps are now being taken to address their concerns through official channels.
The recruitment process, members of the KSU and officials of the Nigrams will sit down tomorrow to iron out and come up with a single draft where we should be able to arrive at points of convergence. Now, in view of these developments, the Nigrams has also decided that until all matters are sorted out, matters that might impact the recruitment process, the Nigrams will halt the entire recruitment process, and we should be able to sort matters out in a matter of a week or so. In view of these developments, leaders of the KSU have been requested to call off their sit-in demonstration. They have been very positive in their response, and they will formally need to get that decision endorsed by their General Council, which they will be holding either later today or tomorrow. So hopefully it will happen today. So these are the developments. I will keep you updated as and when there are further developments on the matter. I do not see any problems. It's just that a matter of perspective. There are issues relating, for instance, to our need to have. We do not have what is known as INI in the case of Nigrams, which the governing council and
So viewers, that is all for today. This is Mona Lisa signing off. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.